Welcome back to Marlette's Kitchen. Today, we'll be making a favorite baked goods in our house, chocolate muffins. First, mix all the dry ingredients in a big bowl. In a smaller bowl, mix in the eggs, milk, and melted butter. Then pour in the wet mixture into our dry mixture. Whisk until well combined, but do not overmix. Add the chocolate chips into the butter. Prepare your muffin pan with liners and scoop the butter, making sure to fill them up as equal as possible. Top with more chocolate chips. Bake into preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Let it cool for a few minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. So what is your favorite thing to bake? Let me know in the comments. Enjoy this chocolate muffin and thank you for watching.